Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Here we will be making my famous beef ravioli lasagna. This is so good, guys. Okay, we're going to start by seasoning our meat in a medium skillet on high heat. I'm just going in with some seasoning salt, some black pepper, some Italian seasoning, and some garlic powder and onion powder. And go ahead and brown that up, chop it up really well. You don't want any big pieces. I like mine really small since this is going to be layered like a lasagna. Here I'm just chopping it up with a spatula because I want them in smaller pieces now that it's more manageable since I used a big meat chopper. Since our meat is all browned and ground, we're going to go in and add our favorite sauce. Here I'm just using a regular traditional pasta sauce. If you want to use marinara, you can use tomato and basil. Actually, I think this is tomato and basil. You really can use whatever sauce you would like. You can use regular marinara, whatever, etc., etc. You guys understand what I'm saying. And don't see if you like a little more sauce than this, then go ahead and add more sauce because by all means I did also. I don't like, my meat kind of dry or just right. I like a little extra, sauce in there. So I did go in with more sauce. And depending on your meat to sauce ratio, just kind of adjust it accordingly. Guys, this smells great. Now we're going to go in with our ricotta cheese. Here I'm just using 3 big spoons of ricotta cheese. Add a little more or a little less depending on how much ricotta you like, but we're just going to add that in and mix this very well. The color will change. That's because of the white cheese, as you can see. This is where you guys are going to trust the process and just keep stirring until your heart can't take it no more. Just keep stirring until it's mixed very well and well incorporated, and then we'll move on to layering. Alright, this is where we're going to take our sauce and we're going to layer it down in our pan, glass pan, full pan, whatever you want to use. Just layer it and lay it all down. Your second layer is going to be your frozen raviolis. Place those how I'm placing them in this order, and trust me, just continue to trust the process. It's going to be good, guys. It's going to be good. Okay, here we're gonna go in with our other layer of meat. We're just gonna spread that all over the top, and we're gonna, get every piece of ravioli we can covered in our meat sauce. Okay, it should look like this once you got everything all mixed in. Next, we're going to go in with our Parmesan cheese on top, and then we're going to go in with our second ravioli layer, and then you just repeat the process. Guys, on this layer, we're going to go in with our mozzarella cheese this time. You can alternate between your grated Parmesan and your mozzarella cheese between layers. Okay, you continue to layer in between your pasta sauce, your cheeses, and your raviolis. Continue to layer until your pan is full to the top. And that top layer, you are going to add the mozzarella cheese, and you're going to bake it at 350. Here I'm just for about 45 minutes. Some cucumbers to add into the salad that I prepared. Here's the salad. It's just an American salad: lettuce, tomato, Monterey Jack cheese, bacon, and English cucumbers. Doesn't that look beautiful? So tasty. After you take it out and add more mozzarella cheese on top, and you let that bake for about another 15 minutes until the top is golden brown like this. You pull it out, and here I'm just adding some more Italian seasoning, and here's our salad, and here's the finished result, and here is our dinner rolls. Everything was delicious, guys. If you choose to make this recipe, please comment down below and let me know how did you like it, because you can't go wrong with this for a busy parent, busy guardian. This is the easiest meal you can make without all the hassle. It still tastes just like lasagna, but with a twist. I love it. My kids love it. Everyone loves it. Thank you all for watching. If you made it this far into the video, comment down below if you are going to make it, or if you think you might make it, or tell me, just, let me know how I did. All feedback is good feedback. Thank you guys. I appreciate you.